Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. Filming this in my own home after the fact, of course, but at least you guys can see what we got up to on Sunday, and here is all of the treats that we put together. This is our Pimenta Moida that we make. We started doing it, well, I did mine 2 years ago, and we did this one with the rest of the family. So you guys, I hope you enjoy this video, and let's get into it. Here we have 2 bushels of peppers. We have 1 sweet and 1 hot, and then we also had some extra hot, so we made a separate batch on the side. As you can see, we got the family here. We are just chopping them up, and what you want to do is slice them and take out all the seeds from the middle and all that stuff on the center. Some of the peppers though, you want some seeds in it, so that way in your paste you can have some seeds here and there. Now because the hot peppers are really hot, we always wear our gloves just to be sure. Now here's my dad, he's fixing up the grinder for us, and he's putting it on the medium size setting, so it's not very fine, but you still have some nice chunks, slices of the peppers. So here you can see he's doing one at a time, just testing it out, so you make sure that everything's working well. Alright, now we got my husband carrying on while the rest of us do the chopping. These are our salted peppers. We wanted to try and do this. And so we have our peppers. We did a layer of peppers, layer of salt, layer of peppers, layer of salt, and then we would put a rock at the top and cover it. So our batch here is medium flavor, I guess you would say, medium spice. We mixed both the hot and the sweet together, and now you can see because we did 2 bushels, we are doing 2 kilos of salt, right? Each bushel gets 1 package of salt. No, that's not it. You're gonna let them sit for 3 days. Each day you want to stir it once. I didn't catch footage of it each day, but basically that's all you need. On the third day, that's when you can start putting them in the cans. So I have 1 tub of the medium, it's the hot and the sweet, and then we had some extra red peppers that we put just separate on the side. We're gonna do the red peppers. We're gonna do the hot ones first, so we know which ones they are, and then we'll get going here. So once they've all put in the jars, you want to get some wax paper so that way you can seal them up nice. And right at the top, before you do seal them, make sure you put some olive oil there at the top. Because of the fermentation process that happens when you mix the salt in and leave it for those 3 days, we are going to put them in the cans. We're going to close them all up, and then they have to go in the fridge after that. And only after 1 month will they be ready to consume. And you can use it in your food. You can use it as like a dip, anything you want. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed it. And I'll see you in the next one. Later, YouTube.